Installing the 034 sway bar and links. I know the sway bar needs to be under preload, but what about the end links? When I have to take the wheels off, there's no preload on that end of the suspension. Well, the sway bar does not need to be under preload. I'm not sure exactly what's being asked here.
I think it's when they're installing it. So if you're installing it and you're only jacking up one side of the car and then you're taking the wheel off, that sway bar is going to be very loaded. So yeah, installing end links is going to be very difficult.
You always have to, anytime you're doing anything installing or uninstalling the sway bar, both wheels either need to be up in the air or on the ground.
Yeah.
They need to be the same. So usually up in the air is the right way to do it.
But they say the sway bar needs to be under preload. I'm not sure what they're asking there. It does not need to be under preload.
No. And you can take your wheels on and off the car, or wheels, I don't know. So I'm not sure. Maybe you can ask for a follow-up, Sean.
Yeah, not quite sure what you're asking.